Jury selection underway in St. Tammany Parish for a man with one of Louisiana's longest escape records.
Yeah, Antoine Massey, who was part of that mass jailbreak in New Orleans, also faces serious charges on the North Shore. WDS reporter Cassie Sherm is live at the Covington Courthouse with how his attorney is trying to prove his innocence. Cassie?
Well, guys, so we started jury selection for this case for Antoine Massey. He's facing multiple charges here in St. Tammany Parish: rape, we have domestic related offenses, as well as kidnapping. And one of the big questions that have been asked the potential jurors while they're trying to pick those jurors is how much have they been impacted when it comes to what they saw on the news when it came to the jailbreak. 1 year later, Antoine Massey still claims he's innocent in a St. Tammany case from last November. He's now headed to trial on charges of rape, kidnapping, strangulation, domestic violence, and violating a protective order. At the time of his May jailbreak, he already faced charges in Orleans Parish for domestic battery and car theft. Investigators say the woman he allegedly abused later helped him while he was on the run. She was charged with obstruction and aiding an escape.
My name is Antoine Massey. I'm asking for help. I was one of the ones that was let out Orleans Parish jail.
Earlier this year, while hiding from law enforcement, a video surfaced online of a man who appears to be Massey asking for help and saying he was let out of jail.
Please help me.
His escape record goes back to 2007. Officials say he broke out of a juvenile detention center in a Morehouse Parish facility. He also cut off his ankle monitors twice, according to law enforcement. Potential jurors were asked if they'd seen coverage this past year on Massey, and most importantly, if they could stay impartial.
Mr. Massey's been waiting to go to trial. On these cases, this one is newer than the case in New Orleans, but he's just excited to have his day in court.
Bobby Hortzberg says he believes the evidence will clear his client.
We've maintained that he was not guilty of these charges since the very beginning, and we hope that that's the outcome.
The defense points out to earlier statements and documents they say came from the alleged victim, but says the full story will come out in trial.
It's really hard to anticipate exactly what we're going to see, but I do think that based upon the evidence that we have seen, that I'm confident that we can come out of this victoriously.
Now, jury selection is still happening in the courthouse right now as we speak. They're working through that process. We're expected to have the jury selected this evening or at least by tomorrow morning, and then we'll start hearing opening statements. This is going to be something that's going to be going on for a couple days, and we'll be giving you guys the latest information. Reporting here in St. Tammany Parish, I'm Cassie Sherm. Back to you.